Are you ready for the latest smartphone that packs a punch without breaking the bank? Today, we're diving into the all-new ZTE Blade V70, a sleek and feature-packed device. Let's break down its design, specs, features, and expected pricing, so stick around. First up, let's talk design. The ZTE Blade V70 is a stunning addition to the Blade series, sporting Live Island 2.0, an innovative notification feature that keeps you updated in style. The phone boasts a 6.7-inch HD+ display with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate, perfect for scrolling, gaming, or just enjoying your favorite content. Under the hood, the Blade V70 is powered by a snappy 2 GHz octa-core processor paired with 8 GB of RAM, expandable to an impressive 12 GB using internal storage. And with 256 GB of onboard storage, expandable up to 1 TB via microSD, you'll never run out of space for apps, photos, and videos. Let's move to the cameras. This is where the ZTE Blade V70 truly shines. It features a 108MP primary camera with an f/1.75 aperture, ensuring stunning photos even in low light. Up front, the 16MP hole punch selfie camera guarantees Instagram-worthy selfies every time. The Blade V70 packs a massive 5000 mAh battery, giving you all-day power with ease. Plus, it supports 22.5W fast charging, so you're never out of juice for long. On the software side, it runs Android 14 out of the box, bringing you the latest features and security updates. Connectivity is top-notch with 4G support, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, and even NFC for mobile payments. The phone also includes a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, adding a convenient and secure way to unlock your device. Now, for the big question: price. While ZTE hasn't revealed the exact cost yet, it's expected to launch around $150, making it an incredible value for its specs. The Blade V70 will be available in 3 eye-catching colors: Glacier Green, Stardust Gray, and Sunshine Gold. So, what do you think about the ZTE Blade V70? Is this the budget smartphone you've been waiting for? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.